finding people today who are even eating a lot of fruits and vegetables and are finding out that they're mineral deficient, and it's because of the way that they're grown. Showing even 92% of DNA damage is being caused by mineral deficiency. We've lost the glue that's gluing us together.
Have you ever had a chance to study the health issues associated with what we take as food and how? As everyone knows, a nutritious diet coupled with a healthy lifestyle promotes health and fitness. But looking for the food that would do this is not an easy task, especially when every brand is promoting its products as being healthy. But in reality, it's quite the opposite.
Some babies get colic. What can you do for a baby that has colic? If the mother stops all wheat, all dairy, and all refined sugar, she will find that her baby will not get colic.
Today, we are here with Dr. Barbara O'Neill's message to the world concerning the diet, cures, and lifestyle that we need to adopt to boost our health. So, what does Barbara have to say about processed food? How important is detoxification for us? Lastly, what activities do we need to promote a healthy lifestyle? Let's move into details. Barbara says, "I am a lover of the Creator and the creation. I am convinced the body was designed to heal itself and will do so given the right conditions. My job is to teach those conditions," she continues. Natural treatments are harmless and cause no dangerous side effects. With a surge in medical issues, she has come up with a warning that everyone needs to hear. Barbara warned us about the harmful effects of unhealthy lifestyles and the benefits of natural health practices. Furthermore, she also addressed the issues regarding the processed food that we consume regularly. Beware of processed foods.
Obviously, when people live on fast food that is totally mineral deficient, they're going to be mineral deficient.
Dr. Barbara has emphasized the need to reduce the consumption of processed foods, which are the source of the epidemic of chronic diseases. Several ingredients of these processed foods have a significant impact on our health. Processed foods are high in sugar content and lead to high blood sugar levels and insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, and obesity in many. Sugar and processed food can also cause inflammation, which is a prime cause of chronic illness. Moreover, the use of processed food is also associated with an increase in the LDL cholesterol level, which can lead to heart disease and strokes. Barbara also addressed that the presence of artificial additives, flavor enhancers, preservatives, and coloring has various harmful effects on the human body, from disrupting the hormonal balance to causing allergic reactions and leading to hyperactivity and other behavioral issues. Processed foods are high in calories but lack nutrients and essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are essential for our health.
Minerals they release the glucose into the blood in a way that is balanced and does not damage your immune system.
Given these dangers of processed foods, she urges people to prioritize unprocessed and natural diets. These can vary from fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and proteins. She is also an advocate of nutrient-rich food to enhance health and prevent chronic conditions. The hidden dangers of sugar. Dr. Barbara is concerned about people consuming sugar in excess. She highlights the direct relationship between high sugar consumption and a long list of health problems. Excessive use of sugar in the diet can lead to significant weight gain, obesity, resistance to insulin, type 2 diabetes, and risk of developing metabolic conditions and metabolic syndromes. The rapid increase and then lowering of the blood sugar level can also cause fatigue, tiredness, mood swings, and increased cravings for food rich in sugar content, which will eventually lead you to a vicious circle of excessive sugar consumption.
Sugar kills off your immune system. So whenever you're sick, whenever you're cold, don't touch it. In fact, if you want to maintain a healthy, strong immune system, don't touch it altogether.
This is not all. She also believes that high sugar consumption can lead to inflammation, which in turn can cause heart diseases, oxidative stress, and certain cancers. Now you must know why it is called the white poison. On the healthier side, Barbara recommends the use of natural sweeteners, such as honey and stevia, which have less glycemic impact and provide additional health benefits. To overcome the sugar craving, she recommends the use of sweet fruits and juices with natural sweeteners. Chemical exposure. Every modern-day item, such as cleaning products, personal care products, and even food, contains chemicals, and the packaging itself contains chemicals. Barbara O'Neill urges people to minimize their exposure to these dangerous chemicals to protect their health. To be more clear, she explains that many regularly used cleaning products contain harsh chemicals such as bleach, ammonia, and phthalates, which can cause respiratory issues among people, skin irritations, and long-term problems, including carcinogenic effects and imbalanced hormones.
You're washing your clothes with, because there is a little remnant left in your clothes. And so when your body gets hot and your pores open, if you've got any chemicals residue in your clothes, you will absorb those chemicals.
The same is happening with your shampoos, lotions, and cosmetics. These often contain harmful ingredients such as parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. These are absorbed by the skin and slowly pile up in the body to cause reproductive issues and chronic health conditions. Things are even made worse when packed into packaging material made of plastics and certain cans. These may contain chemicals like BPA and phthalates. These can be mixed into food and drinks when they are heated. Dr. Barbara advises people to be more vigilant about the products that they are using for cleaning and personal care. She even preferred to use natural, non-toxic products as a safe alternative. She recommends that we prefer to use cleaning products made of vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. Similarly, the personal items that you use should be selected after care, and consideration should be given to organic products. The importance of detoxification. Regular detoxification is very important for us in removing the toxins from our bodies. She recommends that having natural detox methods can help in making a difference in our overall lives. Drinking plenty of water is the simplest and easiest way to detoxify the body. In this way, our body stays hydrated and flushes out toxins through urine and sweat, which helps the kidneys and other body organs to function properly.
What are some ways that somebody can detox generally?
One of the best ways to detox is stop eating for a couple of days. When we stop eating, all those energies that usually go to digestion now start to cleanse and detox through the body.
Barbara also recommends adding food with detoxifying effects into diets, such as leafy green veggies, berries, and vegetables like broccoli and kale. These foods are proven to be rich in antioxidants, fiber, and nutrients essential for the natural detox process of the body. Besides all the changes in diet suggested by Barbara, she also recommends the use of natural supplements to support the functioning of key organs of the body, such as the liver and heart, that are vital for detoxification. She also highlights the importance of regular physical activity in supporting the body's natural detoxifying abilities, as sweating during exercise pushes out toxins through the pores of the skin. Yoga and deep breathing assist in circulation and minimizing stress, which is a hindrance to the natural detoxifying process. The role of gut health. Barbara stresses the value of maintaining a balanced gut microbiome, as a healthy gut is essential for our overall well-being. She explains that our gut contains millions of bacteria that perform crucial roles in digestion, immune function, and mood regulation. To keep these bacteria functioning properly and to avoid harming them, Barbara suggests the use of prebiotics and probiotics in our diet. What are these, you must ask? Probiotics are the live beneficial bacteria that are found in foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut. These help to replenish the bacteria level in the gut.
Some very nice yogurts today made with the coconut milk and organic soy milk. Also, kefir. You might be familiar with kefir. You can Google kefir. You can make kefir with goat's milk, or traditionally it was made with goat's milk or cow's milk.
On the other hand, prebiotics are non-digestible fibers on which the bacteria in our gut feed to survive. Prebiotics can be found in foods like garlic, onion, bananas, and whole grains. By the combination of prebiotics and probiotics, we can create a powerful coupled effect in our digestive system that promotes a balanced gut microbiome. Dr. Barbara hints that a well-balanced gut can improve digestion, and it also enhances nutrient absorption. Another added benefit of this could be the improvement in the immune system of our body to fight against diseases. Natural remedies over pharmaceuticals. You will see Dr. Barbara advocating the use of natural remedies and treatment over pharmaceutical drugs on various occasions. She believes that various chronic diseases can be controlled and cured by dietary changes, herbal medicines, and lifestyle changes. She explains that while it is important to have pharmaceutical medicine in certain situations, too often they come with side effects and do not remove the root cause of the conditions. To avoid this, she suggests the use of herbal medicines such as turmeric and ginger for their anti-inflammatory properties. According to her, dietary changes, herbal medicines, and lifestyle modification to a more active lifestyle are beneficial over pharmaceutical drugs. The power of nutrition. Barbara states, good nutrition is the foundation of health. She focuses on the benefits of a balanced diet, which contains fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. From fruits and vegetables, you get the essential vitamins and minerals.
What would you feed a 2-year-old? What would you feed a 3, 4, 5-year-old? I never made special food. They just ate with the rest of the family.
Whole grains offer fiber for digestive health and assist in blood sugar levels. It also reduces the risk of heart disease and diabetes. Proteins such as fish, chicken, beans, and legumes are important for muscular repair and energy. Dr. Barbara also highlights that a proper nutrient diet helps reduce the chances of anemia and osteoporosis and ensures that the body functions properly overall. Sunlight and vitamin D. For vitamin D synthesis to occur, adequate sunlight is essential. Vitamin D is important for bone health, immune function, and overall well-being of the human body. Dr. Barbara suggests outdoor activities and spending time outdoors so that sunlight enables the skin to produce vitamin D. It helps in calcium absorption, promotes strong bones and teeth, and supports the immune system to fight against other conditions.
Blue light from the sunlight is absorbed through our eyes to our brain. It increases our ability to solve mathematical problems.
As a rule of thumb, she suggests a mere 10-15 minutes of sunlight a few times a week can help achieve the benefits of vitamin D synthesis. People with no access to sunlight can use vitamin D supplements to maintain an optimal level. Exercise and physical activity. Barbara is a strong advocate of a healthy lifestyle. Besides a healthy diet, she encourages the practice of physical activities into daily routines.
The immune system. Make sure you exercise every day. If you do not exercise, you are not getting your immune system.
She advises adding structured exercises, walking, and other movements to the daily routine. As per her, regular exercise reduces weight, strengthens your heart and muscles, and also improves the flexibility and balance of the body. If you are feeling down, then the endorphins released by physical activity can boost your mood and reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. According to her, the key is to find enjoyable activities that keep you moving and to make exercise a consistent part of your daily life. Stress management. It has been recorded that chronic stress has the most severe health implications. Various doctors, including Dr. Barbara O'Neill, have highlighted the need to manage it efficiently to make improvements in your health. Stress has been associated with issues like high blood pressure, anxiety, depression, and a weak immune system. And to overcome all these, we need an effective stress management system. Meditation and deep breathing exercises are the most effective ways to relax your mind and muscles. This helps in reducing the tension and, ultimately, the stress as well. Spending time outdoors, or to be more specific, in calm and serene places, also helps in lowering stress levels. Hydration. According to research and studies, staying properly hydrated is essential for the body to work properly.
Coffee, Coca-Cola, Dr. Peppers, they all inhibit the immune system because they have a devastatingly dehydrating effect on the body.
Drinking clean, fresh, and filtered water daily can resolve our health issues. Barbara explains that proper hydration throughout the day helps the body to perform its bodily functions at the most effective level. This includes the energy level, help in digestion, and proper natural detoxification from the body.
Dehydration. When we're not drinking enough water, our body cannot replace, boost, or maintain it.
Water supplies nutrition to each cell in each part of the body. It also removes toxins through urine and sweat. It also has multiple benefits for skin and hair. Barbara recommends at least 8 glasses of water each day, which might vary based on the individual's needs, but it is the most recommended level of water intake worldwide. If you forget to drink water too often, it is best to keep a filled bottle by your side as a reminder to stay hydrated. Preventive care. She is a true believer in the notion that prevention is better than cure. For this reason, Barbara promotes proactive measures to keep your body healthy and prevent illnesses. She suggests that everyone stay up to date regarding their health condition by having regular checkups. By doing so, early signs of any disease can be detected, preventing any condition from spreading and developing into a serious and incurable stage. Barbara also suggests the addition of personal care practices into life. These include a balanced diet, a physically active routine, 7 to 9 hours of sleep, and effective stress management.
So what compromises our immune system? Late nights, going to bed at midnight, going to bed at midnight and only having 5 to 6 hours of sleep.
With this, you will not just improve your overall well-being, your body's immune system will also be supported by these to fight against any medical condition.
Very cautious of the soaps that you use, the shampoos that you use, also the creams that you put on your skin. I rarely put any cream on my skin.
This warning call from Barbara is here to remind us to reassess the lifestyle choices that we are currently making and how we can prioritize best health practices. There is great power and health in embracing whole food, rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that support overall health and protect against chronic diseases. Reduction of chemical exposure from various products, maintaining gut health, and stress management are other important elements that Barbara O'Neill has discussed. This call to action highlights the value of taking control of your health through natural and organic means. It serves as a crucial reminder of how small lifestyle changes can lead to a better and healthier life. In the end, Jacqueline Bourne referred to her as the most brilliant health teacher of our time. If you have come this far, be sure to check out other videos on the channel.